This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first order of business is to obviously launch the calendar app. Then you gotta select the date you would like to create this event on. After that, hit this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill out all the event details such as its title, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, participants, link to the video conference, location. You can also set up your reminding or notifications, preferences for this event, thus making sure that you will not forget about it, or well, just making it so that the system will automatically remind you about this event in the time that is convenient for you. Then you can pick the color that it will have inside the calendar. You can also write a description or attach a file. Then hit the save button over here, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.